Holy shit, somebody stop that fucker. Somebody needs to stop that guy right there. Holy shit, somebody grab that fucking bat. Get that out of here, dude. Get out of here. He's old, man. You can explain how you came to this place with a bat and a shield. There's something wrong with somebody who brings a bat and hits people over the head that are not defending themselves. Is that a bat?
That is a fucking, that was used to hold a flag.
Oh, I see.
That's what you
need is, don't you dare touch me, little man. Get away from me, you fastest motherfucker.
Let me speak, sir.
No, you're speaking with your bat. What the fuck you both have?